Hello and welcome. I'm so happy that you are here. My name is Shannon Gordon. I'm a divine feminine visionary and the Wooberry Witch. Today I've recorded a sample power statement for you to use to create your own, to amplify your light work. I am Shannon Cecilia Gordon, a soul seed of Source. All the power that has ever been and will ever be is with me now. I take responsibility for my soul's path. I open my heart to receive the love and support of Mother Earth. I breathe her strength up through my feet and into every cell of my being. I command my physical body to align with the divine. I call upon my spirit alliance, my archangels, angels, spirit guides, ascended masters, ancestors, totem animals, nature, the four directions, the elemental energy to assist me now. I am infinitely and unconditionally loved, guided, and supported. I am love. I am light. I am safe. I choose to be completely alive and aware of my spiritual path. My eyes sparkle, my voice infused with life. My heart bursts with passion. I choose to be fully here in this moment. I choose to be free of my past. I choose to look forward. I choose to forgive myself and others. I choose to act like a woman who is fully supported by the entire universe. I choose to act like a woman who is being cheered on by her ancestors. I choose to act like a woman whose name will go down in history. I am my I am. I am Shannon Cecilia Gordon, for my highest good and the highest good of all. And so it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With magically abundant love light blessings,